everyone and welcome back to our channel. आज हम आपको ले जाने वाले हैं दुनिया के सबसे खूबसूरत बीचेस पर. So whether you are a beach lover or an adventurous traveler, ये stunning beaches आपकी bucket list पे जरूर होने चाहिए. Let's get started. Number 1 is Grace Bay, जो कि Turks and Caicos Islands के Providencials में located है. This beach is often regarded as the crown jewel of the Caribbean and is perfect for snorkeling, water sports or just relaxing under the sun. All thanks to its soft white sand and calm turquoise waters. And the best time to visit this place is from April to June when the weather is pleasantly warm. अगला बीच है Baía do Sancho, जो ब्राजील के Fernando de Noronha में located है. This beach has been consistently rated as one of the best beaches in the world. Steep cliffs से घिरा हुआ ये beach snorkeling और diving enthusiasts के लिए एक perfect paradise है. To enjoy the breathtaking views of crystal clear waters and vibrant marine life, plan your visit between August and December during the dry season, which is perfect for underwater activities. Moving on to our next stop, ऑस्ट्रेलिया का Whitehaven बीच, जो कि क्वींसलैंड के Whitsunday आइलैंड पे लोकेटेड है. ये बीच अपनी प्योर व्हाइट सिलिका सैंड के लिए फेमस है that stretches over 7 kilometers. Whether you are taking a relaxing walk along the shore or soaking in the panoramic views of the turquoise waters, Whitehaven Beach is a breathtakingly beautiful place. The ideal time to visit is between May and October during the dry season when the beach is not just stunning but also incredibly pristine. हमारा अगला बीच है Anse Source de Jean, जो लाडीक आइलैंड सेशल्स में लोकेटेड है. ये बीच अपने ड्रामेटिक ग्रेनाइट बोल्डर्स, सॉफ्ट पिंक सैंड और शैलो क्लियर वाटर्स के लिए जाना जाता है और फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए एक ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन है. It's a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of life. For the best experience, visit during April, May, October, November, जब यहाँ के सी बहुत शांत होते हैं और टूरिस्ट भी बहुत कम होते हैं. Up next is Matira Beach and Bora Bora Island, जो फ्रेंच पॉलिनेशिया में लोकेटेड है. ये बोरा बोरा का सबसे फेमस बीच है जो अपनी सॉफ्ट सैंड और शैलो क्रिस्टल क्लियर वाटर्स के लिए जाना जाता है. This beach is perfect for swimming, snorkeling or just enjoying a romantic sunset. And the best time to visit is between May and October when the weather is dry and pleasant. अब हम चलते हैं Bahamas, जहाँ मिलेगा unique pink sand beach situated on the Harbour Island. Stretching over 5 kilometers, this beach is famous for its soft pink sand and clear waters, making it an ideal spot for swimming and snorkeling. For the best weather, plan your trip between December and April. Number 7 on our list is Navajo Beach, also known as the Shipwreck Beach, located on Zakynthos Island, Greece. ये आइकॉनिक बीच अपने टावरिंग क्लिफ्स और शोर पर पड़े शिपरेक के लिए जाना जाता है. क्रिस्टल क्लियर वाटर्स और ड्रामेटिक सीनरी इसे एक मस्ट विजिट डेस्टिनेशन बनाती है. And the best time to visit this beach is from May to September during the summer season. Next we have the 7 Mile Beach, which is situated on the western end of Grand Cayman Island. This long crescent of coral sand beach with calm and clear water is perfect for swimming, snorkeling and water sports. The best time to visit this beach is during the shoulder season, which is from March to June, when you can enjoy great weather and fewer crowds. अगला स्टॉप है Maya Bay, surrounded by stunning cliffs and vibrant coral reefs. This beach is located on the island of Koh Phi Phi Lake, Thailand. ये लोकेशन लियोनार्डो डिकैप्रियो की मूवी द बीच के बाद से बहुत फेमस हो गई है. And the best time to visit this place is from November to April, as during this period the weather is generally sunny and the seas are calm, making it ideal for swimming, snorkeling and boating. The bay is accessible by boat from several nearby locations including Phuket, Krabi and Koh Phi Phi Don. Finally, we wrap up our list with Anse Lazio Beach, a paradise on earth, जो कि located है on the northwest coast of Praslin Island in Seychelles. ये बीच सेशल्स के सबसे खूबसूरत बीचेस में से एक माना जाता है that features soft white sand, clear waters and lush vegetation. The best time to visit Anse Lazio is during April, May, October and November when the weather is typically warm and dry with calm seas and fewer tourists. वीडियो खत्म करने से पहले I want to give a special mention to Radhanagar Beach, located on Havelock Island in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India. एशिया के बेस्ट बीचेस में आने वाला ये राधानगर बीच अपने pristine white sand, टर्कोइज ब्लू वाटर्स और लश ग्रीन सराउंडिंग्स के लिए जाना जाता है एंड इज अ परफेक्ट स्पॉट फॉर स्विमिंग, सनबेथिंग एंड स्नॉर्कलिंग। दिस बीच इज ऑल्सो टाइटल्ड एज द 7th मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल बीच इन द वर्ल्ड, इसीलिए इसे बीच नंबर 7 भी कहा जाता है। The best time to visit this place is between November and April when the weather is pleasant with clear skies, calm seas and comfortable temperatures. तो ये थे दुनिया के top 10 beaches plus a bonus from India. So if you are planning your next beach vacations, तो इन destinations को अपनी लिस्ट में जरूर ऐड कर लें. And remember, for the best deals and personalized experiences, book your holiday with Travel Eva. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. See you in the next video.